Hi, I'm Vince Gardner. I'm with Intelligent Energy today. Intelligent Energy is a hydrogen fuel cell manufacturer, and we also have a supplier which makes drones, which we have here today with us. This is the Intelligent Energy Gryphon. This is an hexacopter with the Intelligent Energy 2.4 kilowatt fuel cell system powering the drone. We have the YellowScan Navigator Bathymetry sensor that is integrated on the drone with us here today. Sure, so utilising the hydrogen fuel cell, we're able to allow the drone to fly a lot longer than we can with batteries, which is ideal for the Navigator system. So we can fly for up to 2 hours with the payload that we have on this drone at the moment and the tank that is on top of the drone. So this is ideal for coastal surveys and for wetland surveys with the drone. So anything where you have a Secchi depth of around 2, this is absolutely perfect, and we can go into explain a little bit more about Secchi depth later on.